So now we get to the last part of number replacement, and we save the most difficult part to last. This is the inbound call party number, where we're going to change the number that's dialed into the system. And this is of particular use in the UK. In fact, it's a prerequisite in the UK for any of the new ISDN exchanges, where the telephone numbers are slightly different. Let's take a look at a standard UK DDI number for this fictitious company in Luton. So there is a standard UK telephone number in canonical format, where the +44 is the country code, the 1582 is the area code, notice no 0, the area code is just the 4 digits there, and the last 6 digits are the DDI number, or to be more exact, the subscriber number. And by standard, that's how a UK number is presented to us, and British Telecom will just signal the last 6 digits unless otherwise specified. So our ISDN card will get a message from BT, which is 100 100. That's the first number in the DDI range, and that's the only information we get from BT or our service provider. Now what Swyx has to do is convert that number into a canonical format, because that's the only thing we can understand. We realise that 100 100 isn't an internal number, it's not a URI, so it must be an external number, and we need to convert it. And we'll go to the location properties that have been set up in the system. So if we're in Luton, our location properties on the programming interface will look like that: our area code, our country code, and international and long distance prefixes. So we have to convert the 100 100 into a full number, and it's quite simple. We just go off to the codes and prefixes in the default locations and insert the area code that's there, and then we'll insert the country code. So we have +44 1582 100 100. Now that works great, apart from, as I said, our new telephone numbers. So let's have a look at the UK office of Swyx. There is our telephone number. That's the main switchboard number for Swyx in the UK, and it's made up of a DDI/subscriber number, that's the last 6 digits. We have an area code, which is 20 for London, and we have a country code. What we don't have anywhere in the system, though, are these 2 missing digits. So if we don't do anything, and there is our location properties properly configured for the UK, and BT send us in 6 digits, we'll convert that to a canonical number. So we'll add the area code and we'll add the country code, but we are 2 digits missing. We have to insert the missing 2 digits. That 31 has to be inserted, because what Swyx believes is being signalled to us is +44 203 0950. What our actual telephone number is 203 13 09550. So I need to insert those digits, and this is how we do it. We need to look at the inbound call party number and add. So we start off by typing in what we're actually receiving, or what Swyx believe we are receiving. Is +44 20 and then 3, and anything after that is irrelevant. We want all of the numbers after that, and I'm going to replace that with +44 20. I need to put in those 2 missing digits, which were 3 1. I need to put back the 3 digit which I filtered out here, and then all the other digits. Now it works. There is our inbound number without modification, and there it is inserting the 2 missing digits. And you have to do this on all new exchanges. So UK numbers are all 10 digits. If it's a London, Manchester, Birmingham number where we have a 2-digit exchange, then you need to insert the 2 missing digits. Then you've got the 6 digits at the end. If you're in one of the 3-digit area codes, 121 for example, then you only insert 1 missing digit. And that's how you do number replacement for ISDN. And as I said, that's really applicable in the UK. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, as usual, please get in touch.